can still keep that profession if you enjoy it.
People always say,
make money.
how do we make passive income? There you go.
Bam.
There's another option.
Bam. And you don't have to have as much. I mean, let's be honest. I'm a real estate investor. I tell you guys all the time, invest in real estate. You might not have $100,000 to put into a goddamn house right now with the interest rates at, damn near 8%. So this might be an opportunity for you where you got, $10,000 or below. You can get into this and start making yourself, an extra $1,000 a month or whatever it may be. And that's a 10% return on cash, which is fantastic. That's what I shoot for on my real estate deals anyway.
At least this should inspire you to actually make a change, because look, you could have kept with doing your police job, but you might end up, God forbid, passed away. Yeah. So it's an option, guys. This last shot here as well.
Fake Ashley goes $100 goes, if that doesn't motivate you to change your life, I don't know what will.
Bro.
Absolutely, my friend. I appreciate that. Oh, Chris, go ahead.
Double Marco.
Appreciate that. But yeah, man, guys, all of his links are below. If you guys want to enter the raffle and get yourself a free ATM and get kickstarted on this journey to passive income, go ahead and click that link below. It's going to be at the top of the description and also the top comment. And yeah, man, Paul, thanks for coming by, bro. This was awesome, man. Great interview, man.
No, absolutely, man. It was awesome. Thank you, bro. No. Appreciate you.
Absolutely, man.
All right, man. Good job, man.
Guys, we'll catch you back here in a little bit with some with After Hours, man. Hope you guys enjoyed the war stories and the stories on how to make some extra money. Yeah, it's going to be wild. So we'll catch you guys back here at what time, Chris? Like 10:30?
10, yeah.
All right, about 10:30, guys.